I'm not familiar with superhero films, the genre at all, so I was kind of like Amber Heard recently went through a drawn-out and public legal battle with her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. The actor filed a defamation lawsuit against her in response to an opinion editorial piece. An op-ed that was published in the Washington Post as potentially spoiler-heavy story points, pay information, and discussions of a possibility of a recast came to the forefront of the trial. Heard's connection to the Aquaman franchise for her, Olive Mira, ended up becoming embroiled in the proceedings. Since then, a lot of people have started making commitments to boycott Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, which is scheduled to be released in March 2023 because the controversial actress is apparently going to keep roughly 10 minutes of screen time in the sequel. However, the most interesting thing is that Warner Bros. Are now planning to completely remove Amber's part from the upcoming movie. In fact, in this video, I'm going to show you shocking news about Warner Bros. Suing Amber Heard. Well, Amber Heard has continued to stick to the timeline of events that she has presented in court, despite the fact that she was unsuccessful in her legal case, and that she has already started making preparations for a judicial appeal. Now, the actress has made a significant advance, which may end up causing a confrontation with Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. Amber Heard, who plays Mary in the upcoming film, will reportedly be replacing the majority of the members of her legal team as she prepares to appeal the multi-million-dollar defamation decision that wasn't handed down in her favor against Johnny Depp in June. According to reports, Heard was dissatisfied with the legal representation that she had during the Virginia case. As a result, she fired her primary attorney, Elaine Brethoff, and replaced her with David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown. However, Ben and Rottenborn will continue to serve as co-counsel for the case. In a court file that was submitted on Monday, August 15, the recruiting of the attorneys located in Philadelphia was made public. It has been reported that the actress will base her appeal on the First Amendment, which guarantees individuals the right to freedom of speech. Moreover, the recently retained legal representation for the Hollywood actress issued a statement in which they emphasized their commitment to defending the constitutionally protected rights of American citizens under the First Amendment and expressed their conviction that the court will overturn the verdict against their client. They stated, "We welcome the opportunity to represent Ms. Heard in this appeal, as it is a case with important First Amendment implications for every American. We're confident the appellate court will apply the law properly, without deference to popularity, reverse the judgment against Ms. Heard, and reaffirm the fundamental principles of freedom of speech." When Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom arrives in theaters on March 17, 2023, the matter might be heard again in front of a judge and a jury. At that time, the controversy that surrounded the case unquestionably has the potential to impair the success of the sequel, and as a result, Warner Bros.